80 degrees in here, guys. Let's see what we can harvest today. I'm gonna cut down some of this, put it on my croissant. Okay, I'm gonna some butter crunch. Let's see, I get a little romaine. If you ever see like the white stuff, that's just, I lightly dust it with some 7 to protect my leaves. It's really not necessary yet, but it's a precaution. So that's why I'm going to rinse everything off. So I'm going to take some of these leaves here. Let's see. So I have about 6 plants each, so I'll just take a couple of leaves. I don't need these. I'm a pincher. That's what I have so far. See, when my plants get like this, see, I don't like my plants to get too out of control. So I'll start getting my harvesting now. There's plenty of new leaves coming up. Okay, let's see. Now, I will need my scissors for these. Salad blend. Let's see, are you there? Okay. Just cut. Just grab a bunch. That's all I'll need for today, a couple of days. If not, there's always more. There's always more in here. That's why I like those Dollar Tree baskets. They make good harvest baskets. And they'll drain, rinse off your produce. I do most of my rinsing and cleaning outside, then I'll do it again inside. Really fresh, guys. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hmm. Make sure all the dirt's off. That's a shot of vitamins that I get every morning. These are the baby greens. Okay, fam, thanks so much for tuning in. That's what I do every day. I fill up, this is my little lettuce harvest basket, and I fill this up once my once my lettuces start growing, I start harvesting. I get a lot of yields from those plants in there. So I'm not greedy, just this amount a day. And I use my, this is normally my last meal of the day. When I first come out in the mornings, I'll take a few leaves, I'll eat a little bit, and I really get some vitamins in my system. And then I'll make a really nice, beautiful salad tonight. And yeah, it's all good. Okay, guys, I went back out and got some more romaine. So I already rinsed that off and spun it dry. And then here's the second. Here is the stuff that me and you picked together. And so I'm just going to spin it one more time. I've had so many salad spinners, the ones you do like this, and they all broke. But this one, this little drawstring thing has been the best one I've ever had. From Prep Solutions. I'm not sponsored. I just wanted to share that with you. So here's the lettuce. I'm prepping it. I'm prepping enough for us to have for a couple of days. Both of us eat a salad at least once a day. So, and I don't even like cut it. Once I pinch it from the plant, just do that. And I sliced up some cucumbers. Just put some right here. So salad prep is done. This will get us through a couple of days, maybe the entire weekend. No, I'll have to go out and get some more. It is so fresh, guys. And I got the seeds and I got the plants when they were, a good deal. So this has saved me money already. So finish slicing up these English cucumbers. I got some cucumber plants yesterday. Tomato, cucumbers, and pepper plants yesterday. Let me throw these in here. So, I like weekends to be easy breezy. So I like to do a lot of prepping so we can just grab it and go. So let me eat this leaf. I don't think I ate one of these. Extremely fresh. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. Okay, so we're ready. Keep it like that. And I already have my chickpeas like in a container, so whatever toppings we want is there. Okay, family. I appreciate you guys so much. And hello to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you for hanging with me as I harvested. This is our harvest of the day. That's a lot. That's a lot. All right, guys. Thanks so much. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and hit that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. I appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Bye. One last. Bye, Mom.